Current Affairs Justice Somen Sen was sworn as the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court 8 October 2025. Dr. Kannad Das took charge as 13th Director of Botanical Survey of India. Brij Bhushan Agarwal was elected President, Indian Chamber of Commerce. Delhi inaugurated Asia's largest sewage treatment plant, STP at Okhla. Lieutenant General Vijendra Bhatt took charge as Director General, National Cadet Corps. BSF launched its AI-GIS-powered command center decision support system for border security. India's first slum-free city, Chandigarh. RBI Executive Director Rachna R. Sharma. Retail inflation CPI fell to 1.54 in September 2025, lowest in 8 years since June 2017. Lithium added to the list of major minerals under the Mines Act. DRDO preparing to flight test India's first hypersonic missile Dhwani hypersonic glide vehicle by end of 2025. Google inaugurated its first India AI hub in Bangalore. Matri 2 research station is sanctioned for East Antarctica, replacing the existing Matri station. NSA Ajit Doval attended 3rd India Central Asia Security Council meet in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan Republic. HAL Nasik rolled out first Tejas LCA Mk-1A aircraft at its Nasik facility. India's first maritime simulation center opened in Chennai. Kerala became the first state to introduce the right to disconnect bill purchase. Karnataka also introduced a menstrual leave policy for government and private employee. Akai Padamsali became the first transgender member of the SC Committee on LGBTQ plus right. Vivek Menon appointed first Asian chair IUCN Species Survival Commission. Maharashtra launched 50,000 crore bamboo industry policy targeting 5 lakh job. Uttar Pradesh launched Gomati Rejuvenation Mission. Bandhavgarh National Park MP introduced the Gaj Rakshak app to track elephant. India's first child marriage-free district, Balod, Chhattisgarh, integrated aqua park, Tujudikong, Mukchong, Nagaland. Haryana launched Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi Yojana. UPSC was established in 1926. PM Modi unveiled India's indigenous CAR T therapy, NextCAR 19. IIC Bangalore ranked India's rank 1 in the world University ranking 26. China unveiled the world's highest bridge, Fujian Grand Canyon Bridge, 625 meter, cutting travel time from 70 minutes to 1 minute. Bhutan and India announced the Kokrajhar Gelefu rail project, 69 किलोमीटर 3500 करोड़ का, to boost cross border connectivity, termed strategic. Australia hosted 4th India-Australia joint military exercise Austra Hind 13-26 October. Maldives became the first country to achieve triple elimination, ending mother-to-child transmission of HIV, hepatitis B and syphilis. Donald Trump to revive Israel Presidential Medal of Honor, the highest civilian award. Cape Verde qualified for the FIFA World Cup 26 for the first time. New state member of IUCN Tajikistan, Armenia, Tuvalu. North Korea unveiled its new ICBM Hwasong 20. Maldives hosts India's largest overseas project, Greater Malay Connectivity Project. Typhoon Halong 25 formed south of Low Jima, Western Pacific. Typhoon Bubaloy also originated in Western Pacific Basin. Afghanistan-Pakistan clashes occurred along the Durand Line near Spin Boldak. EU adopted a target to cut GHG emission, greenhouse gas emission, by 19 by 2040 versus 19 level. Germany Berlin hosted the World Health Summit 2025. Gokul Jalasa and Udaipur Jheel in Bihar were added as Ramsar site. टोटल रामसर साइट इन बिहार 6,008 हो गया. डॉक्टर सोनाली घोष Field Director Kaziranga became the first Indian to win the IUCN Kenton Miller Award. Project Shakti, Professor by IIT Madras and designer 7 nanometer chip design. World first multi-sensor EO satellite mission Drishti Galaxy I Aerospace announced to launch in Q1 2026. Google announced its first India AI hub established in Visakhapatnam, Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. Google unveiled Project Suncatcher, a solar-powered AI satellite constellation LEO with prototype launch planned for early 27. India's DNA-based elephant census 22,446 wild elephant का असम काजीरंगा में शायद World Heritage Outlook for report released by IUCN. Meta Waterworth subsea cable project selected Mumbai and Visakhapatnam as India landing site. Taiwan announced plan for T-Dome, a multi-layered air defense system for national security. BSF Command Center launched as AI GIS-enabled decision support system DSS for border surveillance. Indigenous 7 nanometer Shakti Professor expected to be ready by 2028. Brij Bhushan Agarwal appointed President Indian Chamber Commerce DRDO on Business Line Change Maker of the Year 25. SBI Mutual Fund announced plan for an IPO involving 6.3 stake dilution by SBI. Roshni Nandda Malhotra HCL named the richest Indian woman in the M3M Udan India Rich list 2025. Tata Airbus helicopter final assembly line to manufacture H125 helicopter will be located at Bemagal, Karnataka. Maharashtra launched 50,000 foot bamboo industry. INS Sahyadri made a port call Busan, South Korea to participate in the Maidan India-South Korea naval exercise. Neying hydro power project in Arunachal Pradesh planned for 1,000 megawatt. Hindustan Shipyard Limited grant Mini Ratna category status. A new NSG hub planned to be set up in Chandigarh. Exercise Samudra Shakti held between India and Indonesia Navy in Visakhapatnam. Exercise Astra Hind 25 conducted between India and Australian armies in Perth, Australia. BSF AI Command Center Decision Support System launched to enhance border surveillance. Geeta Gopinath concluded her tenure as first Deputy MD IMF in August 25. Anant Goenka announced as President-elect. FICCI call Michael Randrianirina assumed power of Madagascar after ousting President Andre Rajoelina. Beam Vanden Haver, South Africa won Wildlife Photographer of the Year. Ghost Town Visitor. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishna IISc Bank selected for the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award. Guru Dev Sri Ravi Shankar World Leader for Peace and Security Award 25 by Boston Global Forum. Sumit Until become the India's most successful para athletic, winning 3 consecutive World Championship gold para jubilant. Swapnil Pandey being of Vellore. Kamala Harry author the political memoir 160 days published late September. GMP in Indian Tamil Nadu cleans 62 National Chess Championship held in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Unnati Hooda reached quarter final for BWF World Junior Championship 25. Mirabai Chanu secured 48 kg category World Weightlifting Championship for Norway. India announced as host for the World Boxing Cup final be held in Greater Noida. Lionel Messi MLS Golden Boot 25, 29 goal and 9 assist. लापता लेडी वन बेस्ट फिल्म 70वां फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड में उद्गार यूथ फेस्टिवल न्यू दिल्ली IGI स्टेडियम में 150 एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन। बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी वंदे मातरम। इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस 11। वर्ल्ड माइग्रेटरी डे, वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड डे 14 अक्टूबर, वर्ल्ड फूड डे 16, वर्ल्ड स्टैटिक्स डे 20। इंडिया रैंक्ड 128 इन इंडेक्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक फ्रीडम। इंडिया रैंक 23 इन सस्टेनेबल ट्रेड इंडेक्स। इंडिया रैंक 102 इन ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स।